morning students. I am Hiralal Gaur. This is class 10 CBSE maths video. Students, we are studying pair of linear equations in two variables. Today in this section we shall discuss the solution of such pairs of equations which are not linear but can be reduced to linear form by making some suitable substitutions. We now explain this process through some questions of exercise 3.6. Okay. Exercise 3.6. Solve the following pairs of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. First, 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3x is equal to 2. Second equation, 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. Let us put 1 by x is equal to p and 1 by y is equal to q in the given equations. Okay, 1 by, this can be written 1 by 2 into 1 by x, 1 by 3 into 1 by y is equal to 2, 1 by 3 into 1 by x plus 1 by 2 into 1 by y is equal to 13 by 6. If we put 1 by x is equal to p and 1 by y is equal to q, we get 1 by 2 p plus 1 by 3 q is equal to 2. Equation third, 1 by 3 p plus 1 by 2 q is equal to 13 by 6. Equation fourth. Now these are pair of linear equation. This is a pair of linear equation in two variable. Here 1 by 2, so LCM of 2 and 3, LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So multiply equation first by 3. If we want to eliminate p, राइट करेंगे तो multiply 1 by 2p plus 6 multiply 1 by 3q is equal to 2 multiply 6. 6 into 1 by 3p plus 6 into 1 by 2q is equal to 13 by 6 multiply 6. 6 cancel, and this 2 3 jack 6, so 3p plus 2q is equal to 12. 2p plus 3q is equal to 13. This is equation fifth. 6. Now if we want to reduce p, then multiply equation fifth by 2 and equation 6 by 3. Multiply equation fifth by 2 and equation 6 by 3. 6p plus 4q is equal to 24. 6p plus 9q is equal to 39. Yes. Now subtract it. Minus 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 is cancel. 5q minus 5q is equal to 5, 3 minus 2, 1 minus 15. Therefore q is equal to minus 15 by minus 5 is equal to 3. 1 q is equal to 1 by y. So 1 by y is equal to 3. It means y is equal to 1 by 3. Putting q is equal to 3 in equation 5th, 3p plus 2q is equal to 12. 3p plus 2 multiply 3, q is equal to 3 is equal to 12. 3p plus 6 is equal to 12. 3p is equal to 12 minus 6. It means p is equal to 6. Therefore p is equal to 2. And we have taken p is equal to 1 by x. So implies that 1 by x is equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to 1 by 2. So solution of the pair of linear equation is x is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3. This is the answer. Second, 2 by square root x plus 3 by square root y is equal to 2. 4 by square root x minus 9 by square root y is equal to minus 1. So this pair of equation can be written as the given equations can be written as 2 into 1 by square root x plus 3 into 1 by square root y is equal to 2. Equation first, 4 into 1 by square root x plus not plus minus 9 into 1 by square root y is equal to minus 1. This is equation second. Let us put 1 by square root x is equal to p and 1 by square root y is equal to q. So 2 into p plus 3 into q is equal to 2. Equation number 3, 4p plus 4p minus 9q is equal to minus 1. Equation fourth, 2p 3q, and in this if we want to eliminate p, then we should multiply equation third by 2. There will be 4. If we want to remove q, then we should multiply equation third by 3. Okay, so multiply equation third by 3 to eliminate q. We get 3 to the 6p plus 9q is equal to 6. Equation fifth. Now equation fifth, in equation fifth 9 plus 9q and in equation fourth minus 9q, signs are different, So add equation to eliminate q. Add equation 4th and 5th. Adding equation 4th and 5th, we get 4p minus 9q is equal to -1. 6p plus 9q is equal to 6. Cancel. 10p is equal to 5. P is equal to 5 by 10. It means P is equal to 1 by 2. And P implies that P is equal to 1 by square root x. 1 by square root x is equal to 1 by 2. It means square root x is equal to 2. Squaring both sides, we get x is equal to 4. Putting p is equal to 1 by 2 in equation 3rd. 2 plus 3q is equal to 2. 2 cancel. So 3q is equal to 2 minus 1. Means q is equal to 1 by 3. Implies that q is equal to 1 by square root y. It means 1 by square root y is equal to 1 by 3. So square root y is equal to 3. So y is equal to 9. Okay. So solution of the equation x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 9. Okay. So now you have to try to solve all question of question number 1, question 1 first to 8. Okay. If you have any problem, then you can ask. Okay.